Thanks, Space Rogue. For as long as there have been people passionate about exploration and technology, there have been places those people congregate to geek out together. If you're lucky or otherwise resourceful, you are familiar with the concept of a dedicated hacker space. If not, your luck may change some, as there have been more hacker spaces opening recently, like Cat's Lab in Ontario and the Hacker Dojo in Mountain View. And these kinds of places are getting a lot easier to find. Hacker Dojo is even throwing itself a housewarming soon, on September 19th, to celebrate its first month in operation. If you'll be in the Mountain View area, it's probably worth checking that out. Another example is Hackerbot Labs in Seattle, which is a membership-based warehouse space dedicated to the pursuit of technology and blowing stuff up. The projects to come out of Hackerbot in the last year or so include a high-voltage machine that shrinks money and a homegrown weather balloon which successfully captured images of the edge of space. Try doing that on your own. The organization's styles can differ greatly from space to space, from nonprofit orgs to public companies to just groups of friends with an apartment and a bathtub doubling as a server rack. Some spaces welcome visitors, while others are a closed group or invite only, though it seems more and more hacker spaces are cropping up with the community center vibe, where all are welcome. Regardless of how they're run, these spaces help foster collaboration and creative energy, things that the lone artist or researcher often lack. The latest trend of membership spaces sounds pretty good. I mean, charging a fee to stay involved will probably tend to weed out some of the riffraff. Besides, parties with a budget? Way cooler. With about 90 seconds a spot, I can't begin to mention them all, but as community spaces pop up all over, some exceptional stuff is coming about because of the opportunities that result. If you're passionate about technology and don't have a space in your area dedicated to electronic projects, what's keeping you from starting one? That's it for me this week. This is Courtney for the Hacker News Network. Back to you, Space Rogue.